Hello everybody. I finished building the M1 Abrams after 6 months of fiddling about with the trumpeter kit, the Heng Long kit, and trying to smash them together, which I have done. I think it looks alright. I am done with detailing. I'm not going to do anything else. I'm sure if you're an Abrams purist, you can see stuff I haven't done, but I think this looks fine. I think you can end up keep going on it and then you never get it built in the end. It just becomes a shelf queen. So there we go. This is all of it done. Like I say, the hatch isn't workable. There's the stopper for the hatch. So it sits in like that. We can put a driver in there now. This is DKLMRC stuff. I detailed the Heng Long lights, made my own lenses. These are actual rubber flaps. Main bolts, trumpeter stuff. T-Rex Studios tow cable and the accoutrements that go with it, like the attachment points and the much better detailed tow rope deflector things. This is all trumpeter stuff. I've made conduiting for the smoke discharges. You can see that. I have corrected the DKLMRC loaded machine gun shield. I've added glass so you can't see because it's masked up at the minute. I've put all the lenses in from the trumpeter kit into the Heng Long kit. I've done the loader's machine gun ring. I've changed the commander's cupola so that it's accurate for a set V2 with the crows on it. This is the spare wheel from the trumpeter kit. This is DKLMRC. This is DKLMRC. It's got glass and lens in it, but it'll be different when it's painted over and you'll be able to see it, what's inside there, from my previous pictures anyway. This is all DKLMRC. This is trumpeter stuff, which fits. So if anybody else wants to do this, it'll do it. It takes a little bit of fiddling, but it does the job. If you can see underneath. And all of the stuff in light grey is the trumpeter kit that fits onto the Heng Long. Trouble is, modern tanks are so big. This is DKLMRC, trumpeter that I've made fit onto the Heng Long, trumpeter stuff. T-Rex Studios antenna bases. They're quite good. They're a little bit expensive, but they're worth it. There's the anti-slip. I've detailed up the back of the DKLMRC crows with a little teeny bit of copper wire just to make it look like it's got electric connections to the cameras and stuff. It's completely wrong. I couldn't find any reference actually on the back of this. It's very hard to find reference on the back of that crows. Probably someone will send me some now so I can see exactly what's on there, but please don't. So there's that. There's the gunner's sight from DKLMRC and the doors work. So that's good. The coax machine gun. Oh, there we go. The coax machine gun anti-flash from trumpeter fits on the Heng Long. As you can see, the recoil's from the right place now. I can't show because it's got electrics in it yet, but that's right. I've used all of the Photo-X brass from the trumpeter kit. These are special ops handles. Let's bring around this way. This is detail that I built up because it was wrong on the Heng Long kit. These have to stick out a bit from the side of the hull because they fit onto a pin that's behind it. So this is all sort of fake detail, but it does the job. Trumpeter. These are I made up the rest of the hinges for the actual hinges that hold on the side skirts. I didn't add the chains because they're too close to the side of the tank and I think they will get ripped off when running. There's a piece from trumpeter and I've made up the other piece at the back there. Trying to think, let's go to the back. On the back we have, and this was a job and a half, the trumpeter rear grills for the Abrams. And it's all fitted in place, it all fits. The radio box, troop box. I made the reverse camera and also the protective guard that goes over the top of it. So I think that looks all right. I redid all the handles here and the hinges because this part wouldn't be on a SEP V2. The old way with a fuel cap here, not like this side. So the fuel cap is deleted because here they use it as stowage and there's batteries now instead. So we've done all that. This is taken off the trumpeter kit, so it's just easier. I made these out of brass and plastic rod to make them a bit thicker. I don't want to keep this too long because you're going to get bored. Yep, so there's all that. There's the lenses. Some of them you can see because I've only used mask gold on them, so you can still see through. With others masking tape for safety's sake. And I think that's about it. Oh, the details on the mud flaps, the hinge details here, which was actually the trumpeter kit, which is quite good. I did the outside edge ones, and yeah, that's bad. It doesn't seem, when you talk about it like that, it seems like I've not done much. But when you know the Heng Long kit, it's a lot. But the trumpeter kit has really, really helped with this. And the DKLMRC stuff. There's the DKLMRC spare wheel, which will be taken off when I paint it, obviously, for the undercut. I corrected this. As you can see, these are in the wrong place, and it needed bolt detail to work right. So there's all the bolt detail. The weld beads, which I recut and rescribed. Yeah, not bad. I'll just go over one more pass so you can have a look at it. I hope you've enjoyed this and I haven't bored you to death. Funny thing is, my channel has taken a complete nosedive since I've done this tank, so I'm not really sure this is what people want to watch, but hopefully if you have been watching it, you've liked it, which is why I do this, really, not for views and things. It's just if it can help someone out somewhere who's doing the same thing and wants to do the same thing, then yeah, then I'm happy. So that's everything. There we go. Oh, these are trumpeter lights as well, but I've thinned them out and everything so that you can still put bulbs in them and they still go red. This is a piece of trumpeter kit which I've converted to fit there. Yeah, and if it is, happy Father's Day, wherever you are. If it is Father's Day, I'm not sure if it is in the US, but in England it is. And my daughter did that for me today. She must have done it at school. So, like I say, Mr. Tankalot says thanks for watching. And what's it everybody else says? If you can like, share and subscribe. Oh, that sounds so cringeworthy, doesn't it? Anyway, so yeah. So Mr. Tankalot says, have a happy Father's Day, and then hopefully by next week this should have undercoat on it, promise, and then we'll get painting NATO 3-tone camo on it, and I'm looking forward to that. I'm really looking forward to that, because that's going to be fun, and that's the fun bit. Obviously there's some other little teeny bits I've got to do on it, like I'll have to make the recognition plates there, put the ones on that come with the trumpeter kit onto the side arches from here, but that's nothing, is it? That's all stuff that you do when it's been painted. You can't paint that while it's on. So there we go. So one last look at her. And thanks for watching everything. And thanks for sticking with me on this. And we'll get some paint on it. And I'll show you in the processes that I use to paint them. Some of it's a bit old-fashioned, but I still quite like the look. So there we go, all done. And all the lenses are from the trumpeter kit as well, just modified so that they fit. Like in the loader's hatch. So that's the trumpeter lens in there, which you can't see because I've got masking on it. But yeah, anyway, thanks everybody. And I will see you next week, hopefully with this covered in black paint. And not my kitchen. But have a lovely Sunday, and I will see you soon.